Jackson family attorneys are presenting their closing arguments in the Michael Jackson wrongful death trial. They're asking the jury to award millions of dollars in damages for the pop star's death. Eyewitness News reporter Miriam Hernandez is live at the courthouse in downtown L.A. with why the Jackson family says entertainment conglomerate AEG is responsible. Miriam.
Well, that's right. You know, it was Katherine Jackson herself who testified, saying that she was filing this claim in order to find out the truth about what happened to her son, what preceded his death from an overdose of propofol. Well, the attorneys say that it all depends on the evidence that's been stacked up over the last 50 days, and it just depends on your interpretation. And today, the jury heard from the Jackson side.
And he believed in the good of others, even though people didn't believe in the good of Michael.
The finale of a 5-month trial centers on the king of pop and liability for his death. Interest so high, the judge moved the proceeding to an auditorium-sized courtroom. In the gallery, 2 of Jackson's nephews, Sister Rebe and his mother Catherine, who filed the lawsuit against concert promoter AEG Live. Her attorney, Brian Panish, made references to the Bible, English history, and attempted humor, impersonating an AEG exec.
We all remember Mr. Phillips, right? Hard to forget.
Yes, Mr. Manhattan.
But Panish told the jury there was nothing funny about what led to Jackson's demise. He says it was caused by the star's dependency on meds when he was stressed, Dr. Murray, a physician who turned out was broke, and AEG Live, which facilitated a contract to hire Murray. Panish led the jury through the verdict form. Their answer to the first question will decide if the case is over or whether they should proceed to other questions. Did AEG hire the doctor?
They had numerous meetings with Dr. Murray. They called him on the phone. They called him to Michael Jackson's home, and they said, "Stay in your lane, Dr. Murray. Stay in your lane."
About the credibility of AEG executives, Panish played selected parts of their testimony as they were asked about a series of emails.
I don't remember. I don't remember.
I don't remember this email.
I don't remember.
If jurors believe AEG hired Dr. Murray, the jury must answer many other questions, including whether the company exercised reasonable care in supervising the doctor. Panish hammered away at the emails, members of the concert crew who said they saw Jackson's health deteriorating.
And Kenny said, "I don't know if he's going to make it. I don't think he's ready." He was right.
About Jackson's habits with meds, the Jackson attorneys concede that the pop idol had a problem, but that it only became fatal when money and desperation came into play.
What is the one thing that changed? AEG and Murray.
And today the jury also heard a lot about damage, how much Katherine Jackson and the children suffered as a result of their loss. We'll have more about that on Eyewitness News at 6. Reporting live from downtown Los Angeles, Miriam Hernandez, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
Thank you, Miriam.